everybody. In today's video, we're going to go over how to set an anchor tag in Elementor. And what that means is when you click a button, say like a Contact Us button on the top of the screen, it will scroll you down on that same page down to where a contact area is. Or whatever you're trying to do. Maybe you're trying to take someone to some stats or take someone to some sort of onboarding form or something. The idea is, though, you click something on the top of the page and it'll take you to another part of the page. And this actually works scrolling up the page too. So if you have a feature that says, scroll back to the top of the page, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the feature that we're going to set up is an anchor tag. I have this demo site from Elementor set up, and how the functionality is going to work is if we click Get Started, it takes us down right to the contact form. So the question now is, how do we do this? So we're going to jump over here to the Elementor editor, and what we're going to do is I'm going to go over two different ways on how to set an anchor tag on your page. And so first of all, we're going to use this button to take us down to the bottom of the page. So if we select this button, you're going to come to Content, and you're going to go to Link. And you see I have contact form written in here already. It is important that you have the pound sign specifically on the link. And there's an area where we specifically do not want it. So I'll go ahead and show you that here in a second. So you go to Content, Link, and you can type whatever you want in here. So it could just be contact, contact-form, contact-form, go team, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. It just has to be in this format. You can't put spaces or anything else, or I don't think it takes special characters either. So make sure that's your format. So then what we'll do is I'm going to scroll down here to the contact container of the page. I'll go ahead and delete this anchor for now. And then what we'll do is we'll come over here to the widget panel, and I'll grab an anchor. And wherever you set this is where the page will scroll you to. So for now, I'll set it there. And a good practice to do is I'm going to come back up here actually and copy this exactly. So I know it's exactly how I want it. And we do not need the pound sign down below. And I'll show you that right now. So we'll come back down here to our anchor, to our menu anchor widget, and we're going to drop this in here. And what we want is we do not want it with the pound sign in the menu anchor widget. So what we'll do is go ahead and publish that. We'll jump back over to our test site, and let's see if it still works. Get started. Sure enough, it drops us right down to the Contact Us container. Okay, let's jump back over here, and now I'm going to show you method number 2 on how to do this. So first things first, we need to, on our button, keep this here, or whatever it is that you want to name this. Keep that there. I'm going to copy it again just for good measure. Come back down, and let's say we want to go back to the contact container down here. You can set it on whatever you want. So I'll just set it on the container itself. What you're going to do is you want to come over to Advanced, and you want to specifically put it, I already have it there, but you want to specifically put it in CSS ID, and we're going to drop that there. You don't want to put it into classes or it's not going to work. So we'll go ahead and publish it, and let's go back to the sample page and see if it still works. Sure enough, there we go. That's all you have to do to set an anchor on a page in Elementor. I appreciate you watching, and leave any comments below if you have any questions.